back with another unboxing, and this is one I've been excited for ever since I got it. It was something I saw and I didn't even know I needed it. It was a collaboration piece. I don't know why I'm teasing it, like you guys don't already know what it is from the thumbnail and the title. You guys know that this is the Hysteric Glamour Supreme Collaboration Week 4, I think it was, trench coat. I forget exactly what they named it, maybe just like the leopard trench coat or maybe just the trench coat. And then it came in this colorway. I got the yellow colorway, just like the regular leopard print, but it also came in a very interesting blue leopard print. And then it had, there's a back graphic that you guys will see that is done in white on this. And then on the blue colorway, it was done in red. Maybe I'll throw a picture up if I'm feeling ambitious. So as far as the price goes, it was pretty expensive. It was just under $300, but you know, I did get that free shipping since it's over 200. Supreme at least, you know, gives you that. If you guys are familiar with Hysteric Glamour, you know the prices are pretty steep. Now this is my second Supreme trench coat. I don't know, I just got like an obsession or like an affinity for trench coats, so I had to cop this. The other one that I got, I guess I kind of got for a deal. I traded one of the CDG split box logo tees for it, so it worked out for me, but I had initially passed up on it when it first dropped. It's the floral one. I'm sure you guys have seen it in some of my other videos, but I passed up on that one. I think it dropped like 2016 or 2017. I think 2017, but I passed up on that, and ever since I passed up on it, I was like, oh man, I want this so bad. And then finally I found somebody with it ungrailed, and I was like, yo, we should, you know, open for trades. But yeah, luckily that worked out for me where the guy was reliable. I sent it out. He sent me the trench coat once he got it and did the legit check, but I didn't want a repeat of that. And I thought this looked dope. It's also water, I think they call it water resistant and then rain proof. So I'm down for that because the floral one I have is denim. Obviously, you know, it's gonna soak up the water, but that being said, I think we gotta bust it open. I don't know if I have anything else to ramble on about. So the package is pretty small. I'm expecting some collaboration stickers, but as far as the jacket goes, you know, it's not a massive package like the denim one probably would come in, because, you know, that's a lot more material there than this being kind of like a more of a slim or lightweight trench coat, I would say is probably a better description for it. So as far as the stickers go, we got 2 box logo and then one of the Hysteric Glamour ones. And there she is. As always, we're getting this Supreme Ziploc bag, big box logo on the bottom. Pull this out. Like I said, pretty lightweight, you know, it's just kind of like a rain jacket, and then in the form of a trench coat. And wow, we got this big screen print on the back, the Supreme spell out, and then the Hysteric Glamour lady sitting on top of the skull. We got the crossbones, and then got the Hysteric branding on the bottom. So I think this is very cool. But yeah, a lot of people weren't feeling this, and I myself usually shy away from leopard print and, you know, like kind of the more cheesy prints like that. But when I saw this, I was like, it just works, you know. I thought it looked good. I love this spell out that they had going on, the kind of like old English font. And then it really reminded me of Mastermind. If you guys are familiar with Mastermind, they do a lot of like skull and crossbone stuff. And I've never been able to get a Mastermind piece, so this was kind of like the best of both worlds for me. But yeah, like I was saying, you know, definitely lightweight. Some cool things that I saw from the product images, you do have this like adjustment on the cuff, whereas some of their other ones don't have that. They'll just have it where it's just like a straight cuff, and that kind of takes away from the contour of the jacket, where it's kind of like a barrel for the whole arm. So I do appreciate that they have this. You can tighten it up a little bit. You know, you got the second button there. I'm also noticing on the very bottom here, they have a Supreme spell out inside the leopard print, or worked in with the leopard print, but I don't think that's anywhere else on the jacket. Not that I'm seeing anyway. So kind of a cool detail there. I don't see it on the other cuff anywhere, so maybe it's just on that one side. Kind of interesting. So the last detail I want to point out before I go try this on is actually the back, the bottom. I didn't realize, like from the product images, I really couldn't tell that this was split, but I'm very happy that it is split. Gives it, you know, a little bit more shape, like it was blown in the wind. You get the split effect. And yeah, makes it a little bit more maneuverable, I suppose, since you do have this split. It's not just one solid piece on the bottom going all the way around. So I'm happy that is there as well. With all that out of the way, I'm gonna go try this on though, give you guys a fit review. Should be interesting. Check the sizing chart before ordering this. determining whether or not I wanted to go with a large or an XL. The other one I have is a large. The sleeves fit a little bit short, but, or I guess they're like perfect length, a little bit shorter than what they're at would be too short. But I checked the sizing chart that was up for this, and this allegedly is supposed to be a little bit larger than the other one, so we'll see. It seems like it fits a little bit tighter, but the measurements were larger, so hopefully a large is good for me. Usually I've been going with XL, not really for jackets. I guess maybe jackets are maybe more oversized. Anyway, I'm gonna go try this on. Alright, so this is dope. I love it, man. I love it. Everything I was expecting. The size also is perfect. It's, you know, it's perfect. I love it. It fits amazingly. The sleeves are perfect length. Like I was talking about on the denim one, the other one that I have, it's really loose. This one does fit a little bit tighter, a little bit more sleek, which is kind of like my ideal trench coat sizing. This is it. Now, it's not to say that I don't like the denim one, that denim floral one that I have. It's probably my like favorite piece ever. But just the fit on this one is a little bit more my style. The other one's a little bit too baggy, but yeah, I love it. It is pretty thin, like I said, which works well. The denim one's kind of thicker, so that's like more of a winter fall one. This is kind of like definitely for spring. And oh man, I'm finding a bunch more stuff. This is dope. The actual cut of it, I would say, or maybe the blank for it, follows suit for the other trench coat that I have from Supreme. Like same exact pockets, and then the tail's obviously the same. And I just noticed this. You also have this chest pocket, or like inner pocket. I'll have close-ups for all this stuff, and there probably already been a couple on the video, so maybe I don't need to explain that. But there's this inside pocket. You got a button there, and then also pretty dope, you also have a zip pocket behind it, which is very useful. Something that I was kind of disappointed about the denim one that I have, I don't think there's any like inner chest pocket like that. It's one of my favorite parts about wearing a jacket, you know, you get that inside pocket where you can just stuff your wallet and whatnot, your keys, so it's not weighing down your pants. But yeah, you get that on one side. This other side doesn't look like it has anything. Once again, we have the Supreme Spello on the leopard print. I'm just looking like close up now that I have it on. I don't see it anywhere else. I think it really is just down on this sleeve right here, and then yeah, not seeing it on this sleeve, and then on the inside chest pocket, which is cool. I prefer it being like that rather than being like all over the place. I like it a little bit more subtle, especially since you have the, you know, massive Spello on the back. All right, so that's all I've got for you guys. Like I said, definitely happy with the purchase. I love it. It was expensive, but you know, I'm at a point in my life now where I don't have to, you know, sit by and watch pieces fly by. So I'm happy. I don't know if I showed off the inside too much. It's literally just, you know, the inside of this fabric. There's no lining really. You have this like wrap around where it's just the same piece of fabric kind of wrapped back. But I love it, and that's where I'm gonna leave you guys. I'll put some fit pic, or you know, some full body pictures of just what I'm wearing right now, so you guys can see what it looks like a little bit better on me than just me sitting on the couch. So without further ado, thank you guys for watching. Enjoy those, and I'll catch you in the next video.